Hey, what's up? I'm Frank John from Janitorial Coaching Hub.
And I am Lakeisha Germain from Grace Cleaning Company.
Okay, so we are, getting ready for Clean Connection, and we're doing these videos. Some people call it a podcast. Is that somebody call it a podcast? We will not mention their name, but they know who they are.
They know who they are.
So if you know, you know. But Lakeisha, I just wanted to have a quick conversation about the whole concept of community.
Yeah.
In preparing for this, one of the things that you've been highlighting is this builds community. So I want you to talk about that. Why is that so important for you, especially as somebody that is from Boston?
Yes. So on Saturday, actually, prior, you talked about not working in silos.
Yeah.
And that's huge. I took that because I feel like so many times we all individually want to build a business that makes money and successful. And a lot of the times, working in silos doesn't allow you to do that. But working in community does, because you can't do everything. I can't do everything. You can't clean every commercial place. I can't clean every home in Boston, and neither no one can. So if we come together, we can provide a city, this state, if anything, this state with great cleaning. We can provide them with honest cleaning, compassion cleaning, all the above, really.
I think for me though, and you're from Boston. I grew up in Brooklyn. So I feel a certain type of way talking about Boston. I will never like your teams, but that is another conversation for another day. But for me, I think that concept of creating community is so important, because it reminds me of the scripture that talks about every joint supplied, right?
Oh,
and
you're talking about the body.
Yes. So you're creating a community where every joint was supplied. And I'll give you an example. I remember one time I had this client. He wanted me to do window cleaning. Now, if it is just a regular window, I could clean it. But I had to use the stairs. Use a ladder and stuff. And I had met a friend through one of the events I went to a networking event, and he does strictly window cleaning. He charged me for it. He came and he did it, and the client was happy. I was happy. The client, my friend, was happy. Right. So that is what we call. Imagine doing that at a larger scale. So if you need somebody to do windows, you don't have to be a window cleaning expert. You just place a call. Hey, this is what the assignment is. How much would you bill me for? And then boom, the client get what they need.
Yeah, everybody's happy.
Everybody is happy.
Everybody's happy. You're happy. The client's happy, and the company that performed the job is happy.
And that is actually providing value. Because I think one of the things I've noticed in our industry is that everybody wants to be able to be a jack of all trades.
I agree.
Master of nothing or mistress of nothing. And I hate that.
Yeah.
I dislike that. Like, if you are in residential, I should see you as a residential expert, and that is fine. If I'm in commercial, you should see me as commercial, and that is fine. And then because we're in the community, I know who I can tap into.
Absolutely, because I don't do upholstery.
Yeah.
Or carpet, and I won't touch it because I don't want to.
Yeah.
That is not my expertise.
Yeah.
And I want to call on someone that is an expert in this field. I don't plan on being an expert. I don't plan on going out and buy a steam machine or what have you. I want to call somebody that I can, within the community, that I can use. Now that just reminds me of being in a frat, a Greek of some sort.
Yeah.
I'm not in any Greek organization, but I understand the beauty and the concept of being in community. To be able to say, oh, I can trust so-and-so because they're a part of this. Like, they're committed to this group, right? And I know that I can call on them to do anything, and that I can trust them. They're not gonna, you could trust them as much as possible. You can trust as much as possible, right? In the group. Like, always, if I have someone contacts me about a big commercial space, I'm not gonna try to tackle it. I'm gonna call him. Period. I know he's gonna do his job. I know he's gonna have great customer service. I know that he's gonna charge what he's supposed to charge, but you get what you pay for. And I'm not really worried. I just want to hear that the job got completed, and you got paid.
And I got paid. And
yeah,
you talk about the paper.
That is valuable to be able to, without a doubt, call somebody from a group, from the community, to be like, hey, is it possible you can do this thing? Because on the flip side, whoever contact me will know that I have connections.
Yeah. Yeah.
And my connections are solid, and I'm not gonna send any old body.
And that is value. Everybody is talking about value, but value is just not. It's not just having head knowledge.
Right.
It's to be able to connect somebody to what your client or prospective client is looking for.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
If and I have seen this so many times where it's like, oh, I'm looking for this. Oh, Frank, do you provide? No, I don't. But I know somebody who does. And that is what we call the plug. You are the plug. And when you do that, people trust you because it's like, this guy may not do this, but they know somebody who does. And in turn, I'm giving you business.
Right.
I'm still making myself important. But I'm giving you business and the client is happy. So clean connection, that's what we're trying to create plugs. Community.
Right. Clean connection is the plug.
It's the plug.
It's the club hub. How about that?
Club
because we're not the only plugs, right?
Yeah.
Imagine if Susie from Susie's Cleaning came and joined us at Clean Connection. She now becomes one of the possible partnerships of one of us.
Yeah.
Right? Or for all of us at that point. The plug, you can become the plug, Susie.
Yeah,
Susie,
where
you are now the plug.
Have you registered, Susie? Whoever you are, Susie, Kofi. Let me throw my Ghanaianness inside. Right. But the real.
Oh, mine is Ya.
Ya, you're Ya. I'm Kojo. You see, I'm wearing Kojo right here.
Oh my God, my husband has a bracelet like that with his Kojo.
I'm Kojo, so don't hate on the Kojo.
Okay, and how do you say mine?
Yeah.
Just Ya?
Yeah.
Thursday fun. Baby.
Yeah, not exciting, but yeah.
It's exciting for me because I can say it.
Yeah.
And I'm a Thursday baby.
So if you come to Clean Connection, I might be able to give you an Akan Ghanaian name. That's an added benefit. Nah, I'm just joking. When is Clean Connection?
But hold on. Before we know when Clean Connection is, the other value about building strong community is wisdom.
Wisdom.
But there's wisdom.
Wisdom.
How do I price?
Yeah.
How do I send a proposal?
Yeah.
What do I say?
How do I show up for my walkthrough?
Right.
I've seen people show
How do
up.
I hire?
I've seen people show up with crusty toes. I don't have crusty toes. Wait.
If my toes are crusty that day, you're not gonna see them.
Yeah. Don't show up with crusty toes.
But being in the community talks about professionalism.
Yeah.
Showing up as yourself, but showing up basically clean cut and prepared.
Yeah.
Is a part. It's also a value in the community.
Knowing the right questions to ask. All this is wisdom. Wisdom is a principal thing.
It is.
So in all I get wisdom, get understanding. And I mean, we both have a scriptural background, so we'll always share that. But wisdom is super key. But anyway, tell me when this is.
But everybody knows when. Hold on, because the scripture,
everybody knows when.
The scripture.
I don't know when. When is it?
At this point, if you don't know, you ain't going. He ain't a part of the group, y'all. Come help me. He's not part of the group.
Talking about scripture, what would you say?
Well, scripture, aside from it just being Bible and religion, it's just very logic.
Logic, yeah.
Like you said, with all things get wisdom.
Yeah.
Like, I'm pretty sure if you're new, established, aspiring cleaning companies, you have questions. We have wisdom. Whatever wisdom that one of us don't have.
The plug. We just talked about the plug.
So August 22nd, it's a Thursday, after work at 5:30. We are having Clean Connection in Roxbury at the Bowling Building in Nubian Square. Parking is available.
Pull up. Don't go home. Just come straight. We have something for you to snack on and stuff.
And the headshot.
And the headshot.
And the headshot. Every professional business should at least have one bomb headshot.
Stop using your mugshot for LinkedIn. Stop using
it. I was gonna say stop using your iPhone selfie. You went all the way to the mugshot.
Stop using your mugshots for LinkedIn. That's why you're not getting clients.
How about you should have a LinkedIn?
That would be.
How about okay. Well, to be continued. With all that, get wisdom, and that's why Clean Connection is the place to be.
And become the plug, yo.
Become the plug.
See you around.